Hello students, this is the lecture of class 9 subject maths exercise 4.3. Today we will start our exercise 4.3. So our topic is graph of a linear equation in two variables. Means इस equations के अंदर इस exercise के अंदर हम linear equations को graph पर ड्रा करेंगे जो हमें टू वेरिएबल्स में दिए जाएंगे. क्लियर? दैट इज लाइक वेरिएबल वन इज x एंड द सेकंड इज y. क्लियर? सो देर इज ए जनरल फॉर्म of linear equations in two variable, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where variables are x and y. Clear? So for draw the graph of this type of the linear equation, we will put the value of x to find the corresponding value of y, and in second case to find the value of x, we will put any value of y. Clear? For this, like we have to put any value of x, clear, in this type of the equation, or you can directly put in your given equation. Clear? If you want to first find the value of y in the form of the variable x, then you can find, otherwise directly you can put the value of x in given equation. Clear? And you have to remember that here when you will put the value of x, the value of y will not become in the fraction form like 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 7 and like 2 by 7, because 1 by 3 values means that is 0.3333 and so on. That value will be not terminates, so we cannot draw on the graph like this type of the value. Clear? Now there is a note for you. To draw the graph we need at least two solution. Clear? ऑफ द इक्वेशन मीन्स एक ग्राफ को ड्रा करने के लिए हमें कम से कम दो सॉल्यूशंस की नीड होती है. आपने इससे ज़्यादा नहीं लेने हैं. For such type of the solutions which you have to find out using, like put x is equal to 0, find the corresponding value of y. Here will become one solution like 0 and y value. Clear? And the second is when you will put y is equal to 0, find the x value, and this is the another solution like. Clear? So these are the two types which are very easy solution to draw the graph. Clear? Now we will start our example 6. Now draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 7. So for draw the graph, find the value of x like in the form of this type of the box. Put here x and write here like y. Now put x is equal to 0 in this equation, you will become y is equal to 7, and when put the value of y is 0, value of x will become 7. So there are two coordinates, one is 0, 7 and the second is 7 and 0. These are the two coordinates, or we can say that these are the two solution for draw the graph. Clear? Now graph, like for draw the graph you have to take like these two axes, one and this is like second, this is x, this is x dash, this is y and this is y dash, and where these two axes meet, this point like this is known as the origin. And to take the value of right sides, like here like point 1 2 3 4 and so on. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. Clear? That depends on your coordinates values. Clear? Now there is the solution like one is the 0 7 and 7 and 0. Clear? So 7 0 here and the 0 7 is here. Now join these 2 points. Clear? When you will join these 2 points by using the scale, there are few students who will use like geometry box, pen, pencil, iCard, etc. Clear? You have to remember that do not use other things without scale. Clear? Now when you will join these 2 points, like by using the scale, you will get your solution. Clear? And you have to write the equation here like that is here like x plus y is equal to 7. You can write here or you can write here. Clear? So this is our the solution of these questions. Clear? Now the next question is given the points 1 and 2. Clear? Find the equation of the line on which it lies. Clear? And how many such equations are there. Clear? हमें क्या दे रखा है कि हमें पॉइंट्स दे रखे हैं यहाँ पर 1 और 2. हमें जो पॉइंट्स दे रखे हैं हमें एक ऐसी इक्वेशन लाइन की बनानी है जिसके ऊपर ये दोनों पॉइंट्स लाइज करते हो, और ऐसी कितनी इक्वेशंस हमारे पास हो सकती है ये भी हमने बताना है यहाँ पर. क्लियर? सो दैट इज़ द फोर्थ सोल्यूशन. सिंस पॉइंट्स लाइक 1 and 2 लाइज ऑन द लाइन, इट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन. कि जो हमारे पास 1 और 2 हमारे पास जो पॉइंट्स है वो जिस भी लाइन के ऊपर लाई कर रहे हैं वो उस इक्वेशन को क्या करेंगे, सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. तो हमारे पास ऐसी काफ़ी सारी इनफाइनाइटली लीनियर इक्वेशन हो सकती है जो इन पॉइंट्स को क्या करेगी, सेटिस्फाई करेगी. लाइक फर्स्ट इज़ लाइक x plus y is equal to 3. लाइक व्हेन you will put x is 1, y is 2, like it will become 3. So like this is the first type of the equation. Like the second is like that is y minus x is equal to 1. Like y is 2 and x is 1, 2 minus 1 that is 1. This is the another type of the linear equation. Now like third is like that is y is equal to 2x. When you will put x is equal to 1, you will get the result y is equal to 2. So we can see that there are many infinite linear equations which are satisfied by the coordinates that is 1 and 2. Clear? We can say that there are infinitely many linear equations. That's our answer. Clear? So that is you have to solve the sums from 1 to 4 of exercise 4.3 in fair notebook. Clear? Sums from 1 to 4 of exercise 4.3 in fair notebook. Clear? Thank you and have a nice day to all of you.